afternoon, everyone. I am Rosan Tabuyo, a student of Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. This video is all about the different tools and equipment that we use in sewing, to be presented at the subject clothing construction. This video will benefit the first-time sewer, those who want to learn how to sew, and those who involve in the construction of clothing. These are some of the different tools and equipment that we use in clothing construction. Let's start first with the measuring tools. First, we have the tape measure or measuring tape. It is made of non-stretchable strips that use in taking bottom measurement. It measures 150 cm on the front side and 60 inches on the other side. It is a flexible roller that is used to measure the size or distance. In clothing construction, we use this to get the measurement of the height, waistline, or sleeves, and so on. Another measuring tool is the ruler. It is also sometimes called as line gauge. It measures 12 inches or even 18 inches. Normally, the marking are marked in inches on the other side and centimeters on the other side. In dressmaking, it is used in marking the garment shapes like the tucks, hems, jaw lines, and mark points. We also have tools used in drafting. One of these is the bell pin. It is used for basting and fixing of pattern pieces to the fabrics to make the work easier, quicker, and more accurate. It is also used to hold pattern pieces and anchor seam allowance as you sew. Another example of drafting tool is pin cushion. Pin cushion is a small stuffed cushion that we use to store pins or needles for us to hold and take them easily and keep it organized. Let's go now on marking tools, which include marking pencils. It is a convenient and precise tool that we use for marking the part that need to cut. These are available in white and pastel colors. It is important to use marking pencils because it shows you where to cut or fold. It can be a permanent or temporary. There is also the cutting tools, which include the scissor. It is the most common cutting tools that we have in sewing. It is a 6 inches long that used in trimming and clipping seams and for the general use. And the last category is the stitching tools, which include needles. Needle is a long slender tool with a pointed tip at one end and a hole to hold the sewing thread on the other end. There are different sizes of needles, and the bigger the size of the needle, the easier for you to put the thread on its hole. In stitching tool, we also have the thread. Thread is a long thin strand of cotton that we use in sewing. It is available in different colors like black, white, red, blue, and gray. We should remember to use the same color of the thread to the color of the fabric that we use in sewing. Another example of a stitching tool is the thimble. Thimble is a small pitted cup that we wear in our finger to protect it from being pricked by the needle while sewing. It is usually worn at the index or at the middle finger. We also have the needle threader. It is a device that we can help to put the thread through the eye of the needle. There are many advantages of knowing the proper usage of the different tools and equipment that we use in sewing. And it includes to avoid your equipment from being damaged, and it can help us to make our sewing task easier and faster with a better result.